people who put that office in that place, they are headed by Katuga, who leads Kunga in Masaka. We have been complaining that this group, they already joined the movement, and their work and purpose they are for the movement. Yesterday, the entire country now has got to understand what we are talking about, that these people, they are not of the opposition, they are for the movement. Councillor Katerega Ali, we have been complaining, and we complain to the headquarters that whatever he does, it is for the movement. He had interfaces with several councillors, with the Minister of Presidency when she came to Masaka. They asked also for jobs. We have that information. So yesterday, they were displayed in the public to understand their purposes. I also want to ask Mr. Nyanzi, Chairman Nyanzi, who is the head of Kunga in NUP, of what purpose is Kunga? Because we have been complaining that these people are not working for the opposition, they are not working for NUP. We have given you this information severally, but you have not moved in action. So we want to ask, what is the purpose of Kunga now that we have seen the fruits of Kunga?